Hey guys, Austin in the money here. Nvidia is skyrocketing today, up almost 4% on the day on news that the CEO is done selling after he just made $713 million on his stock selling. He's finally done, so I guess that's popped it up right now. My covered calls are getting slammed since they were already in the money. They're getting absolutely crushed. It expires this Friday. My cash secure put, on the other hand, is paying me pretty nicely, collecting 31% of the premium already. I actually might roll these right now. I kind of want to wait for a pullback. But like I said, these expire in 3 days. Because the more of a pullback I can get, the more premium I can go ahead and collect. Since it expires so soon, I'll collect a lot more premium than if it expires in a month. Because there's no extrinsic value. This is all intrinsic value. But man, Nvidia has just ripped a lot today. So yeah, I guess what I can do is, I guess the real question is, should I wait till Friday or go ahead and roll now? Let's see. Either way, we're going to be looking good. Let's check out the 110 roll. Go out 1, 2, 3 weeks. It's at 10.95. So if I sold the 112, I would profit $30 of premium, and my strike would go up $2, which, since I have 100 shares, that would be $200. So 3 weeks, I'd get $30 of credit and go up $200. I don't know why my thing is glitching like that. That's kind of weird. But 3 weeks, yeah, sure. Let me see. I kind of want to wait for a pullback, though. It can't stay up there like that. I mean, that's pretty ridiculous. So yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, I'm still up almost 1%. That's pretty good for one day. And these in the money covered calls will definitely protect me from downside all the way to, 108 to 110 on Nvidia. So I still have a lot of downside protection, especially since they expire this Friday. The protection is fully maxed out. I wonder what this 108 can roll out to. Let's see, 3 weeks. Probably not that. Probably like 110, yeah. Ooh, 110, I'd lose $15. So maybe... I wonder if it's worth just letting this expire and getting rid of my shares. It almost would be. So here, go out 4 weeks, 2 strikes for $53. But since it's going up 2 strikes, that's another $200. So really $253 for 4 weeks. It's not bad. Obviously, if I didn't have covered calls on, my portfolio would be up 3.8% as well, like Nvidia. But hey, you know how it is. Shit happens. I think I'm going to hold off on the roll. I think I'm going to wait till Thursday to Friday to roll. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I don't think Nvidia is going to close Friday at 120. I definitely think it'll be lower. But, yeah, we'll see. We'll see where it goes. We will see where it goes. Remember, when you're selling options, you're never going to lose money. Let me not say that. You can always make money if you keep rolling. So, like, since this has become a losing trade, right? This has become a losing trade for me. I could just roll it out a month and up a couple strike prices, and then boom, it's a winning trade. And Nvidia will not go up forever. It's eventually going to come down, especially if we have a recession next year, it's going to come down, which will eventually make this a winning trade for me. It's only a losing trade if you give up on it. If you keep rolling out, it's never going to be a losing trade. So, yep, just remember that, guys. Just remember that. It's not a losing trade till you give up. But I wish I could sell another cash secured put, but I don't have enough. I don't think it'll let me. Yeah, it says I only have 5,000 available, so I'm not able to sell. I mean, I guess I could sell a $50 cash secured put, but that's going to be no premium at all. That's why I sold this cash secured put right at the money, right? Because I knew if Nvidia went up, my covered calls were going to be hurting really bad. So I did this, so worst case scenario, I'm going to make some, fat money on this cash secured put, or I'm going to make fat money on these covered calls. I'm going to win one way. If Nvidia goes up, cash secured put's going to win. If Nvidia goes down, covered calls are going to win. Either way, I'm going to win, and on the losing trade, I'm going to roll. Now, when am I going to roll? I'd prefer to roll once Nvidia comes back down a little bit. It's already came down 50 cents? Yeah, it's actually almost came down $1 already from its peak. So that's good. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens Wednesday and Thursday. I'm definitely going to have to roll it on Thursday or Friday, because I do not plan on dumping Nvidia. I mean, it's still 108 and 110, still above my average cost, right? My average cost is 106.79. So either way you slice the cake, I'm still making money on this trade. Is it as much money as I could have made? No. But it's still a winning trade. And that's all you really got to care about, man, is winning a trade. Because if I would have bought Nvidia at 106 and it would have dumped to 96 and I did not sell a covered call, I'd be down $1,000 just like that. With no protection. I'd have zero protection. And then selling a call $10 to $11 out of the money just to get above my strike price, it would hardly give me any premium. So it's almost pointless. I love covered calls just because of the protection it gives you. Yeah, you do limit your upside, but at the end of the day, it's all about making money, right? And I definitely wanted to protect my downside. I'm officially out of margin from all these rolls I've been doing. I have 200 in cash. So I'm not sure what I'm going to be. I might just save this cash a little bit until we get a dip in the market. I do, how are we looking on the day? Well, kind of flat on the day for the SPY, up 0.1%. Qs are up 0.5%. So technology is definitely leading today. Thanks to Nvidia, really. Nvidia's up, Apple up, Microsoft's taking a dip. Almost down 1%. Tesla's up almost 1%. Google's up. Meta's pretty flat. Amazon's down. And yeah, it looks like the chip stocks are really, really going up today, really on the rise. I really want to get into SoFi again. I think that's what I'm going to use my cash on. I have an alert right now for under $7. I'll get triggered and I will be buying SoFi under $7. No doubt about that. I fully believe in this business. This business has amazing growth. I'm talking over 30% year-over-year revenue, 30% year-over-year members. It's ridiculous. It's growing, and now it's profitable. As you can see, we've got, 3 quarters that are profitable, and the fourth one's expected to be the best one. Or Q3 of fiscal year 2024. It's expected to be the best quarter of 4 cents per share. So I will definitely be buying SoFi under $7 with the premium that I get from Nvidia. So pretty much with free money, I'm going to be buying SoFi. But yeah, Nvidia is kind of just chilling around here for now. We'll see. I don't think we're going to go up any higher than this for the rest of the week. It's already up 4% in a day, right? So it's probably going to come back down. Hopefully. Hopefully it comes down. But yeah, no rush, no rush. I'm not gonna take any, rushes. I do have a loan. I have access to $45,000 loan that I've kind of been saving for a rental property. But comment below if you've made it this far in the video. What do you guys think I should put it in Robinhood and sell even more cash secure puts on Nvidia to make more premium? So I've calculated it, right? With the premium, if I were to sell, let's just say pretty safe, right? 110, that's $10 out of the money. 4 of those would be about 40,000. And plus, if I put 40,000 in here, that would give me access to a lot more margin in Robinhood, which margin's even cheaper. I think my loan is around 10% interest. Robinhood margin's like around, 6.25, I want to say. So I could probably even sell 6, definitely 5. I could definitely sell 5. And my loan repayment would be around $450. So I could use that loan to hopefully, make around an extra $300 a month if I chose to do it for this instead of my real estate rental property. So that's also another thought I've been thinking about. Definitely not doing it right now because I'm a little nervous, I guess you could say, of the outcome of unemployment. And since the yield inversion has just uninverted, little nervous for what is to come. That's why my cover calls are so low, just for downside protection. But yeah, guys, that is it. I'll make a video on Wednesday, Thursday, where I'm actually rolling these live for you guys to kind of show you my thought process and how I like to do things. All right, guys, that's the whole video. Peace. Thanks for tuning in.